Torpedo Jones 2002 first editions. Now I've done this one already. It is red, but it's different. This is not the same one. The other one has red flames right there. I think it's darker, and it also has a chrome bottom. This one doesn't have a chrome bottom. This one has a red bottom. And different wheels. The other one has a different 3 spinner wheels, swirly wheels. If you want to check, go check. Compare and contrast. It's pretty cool the similarities and differences between two different cars. So just type it in the search button on the search box on the top of my uploads, and you'll get 2 of them so far. And the other one I mentioned, it looks like Jay Leno's torpedo car. Well, this one looks just like it too, but a different color.